Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today we celebrate Republic Day, which is observed 26 January. On this 1950, the Constitution of India came into force and India became a republic. This day reminds us of our freedom fighters and teaches us to responsible citizens. Our freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and many others. Because of their courage and hard work, we live in free country today. On this special day, we also remember our soldiers who protect our country day and night. We should always respect and honor them. As students, our duty to be contribute and honest, disciplined and responsible citizens. We should follow rules, respect our elders, help others and work hard to make our country proud. Let us promise today to be contribute and building a strong and developed India. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.